back to my channel. My name is Amal, and in this video I joined this really rich adopt server with amazing crazy pets. And like you can see a neon, a bull, a mega king bee, a mega evil unicorn, wow, a mega frost fury, a mega neon arctic, oh my god, mega snow owl. I'm so confused. Okay, there's even a neon frost dragon. I don't even know what to offer for, but yeah, I'm going to. I don't see a normal frost dragon. Maybe I could try to offer for the owl. Maybe. Okay. Is that person going to accept? Cause okay, yeah, they accepted. Okay, let me put up my neon albino monkey, neon unicorns, and then the polar bear. I hate when people decline before I even add. It's just so annoying. Like, give me time to add, otherwise it's very annoying. So I'm putting in the T-Rex. Oh, why did that person declined when I put in the B? I accidentally put in that. I didn't mean to. So yeah. Okay, that's fine. Oh, I see a normal frost dragon. Okay, I'm going to offer for that one because I want it. Okay. I'm gonna add a neon unicorn. I'm over at this point, but I don't care because the neon albino alone is worth it. So yeah. Is the person okay? They declined seriously. Okay, then okay. I see Mega Frost Fury. Do I want to offer for that? I don't have a good experience with them, but I guess we can try. Okay, that I don't know. Did my trades break or something? Okay, they didn't. Maybe I could try to offer. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna answer. Is the person AFK? Oh, I accidentally traded in the person with the. What do you call it? The mega. I can't believe I always forget the names of the pets. With the mega evil unicorn. Oh my god, I can't say. I think I should ride it. Oh, there's another person with a neon owl. I could offer for that. I really want to offer. That person wants a mega blue dog. Okay, I guess. I'm gonna put up the neon albino. The neon unicorns. But they didn't even let me add. That was okay. What? That's so rude. Okay. This person wants a neon evil unicorn for their neon frost dragon. That's an amazing trade for the person. Okay. Mega king bee and mega unicorn. Oh my god, that person wants so many things. Let's see. What can I offer for? I think I'm gonna ride my what do you call it, albino, so like people can see I'm trading it. Okay. Why is the person not accepting my trade request? There is even a neon flamingo. I want to offer for that. Where did she go? Okay. Please, are you going to trade me? Trade me. Oh, where should you? Why are these people running away in all of these rich servers? It's so annoying. Trade me. Oh, she's already in a trade. Okay, fine. I'm just so angry. I don't know why. The person with the frost dragon accepted my offer, and I'm going to offer. Oh. Will you ever give me time to add? These people are so annoying. They never give me time to add like a teleportation potion. No, I don't want the potion. What if I accidentally drink it? This person has a tombstone. Where did the person go? That's why they're sitting on their mega albino monkey, but it's invisible. That's where did it go now? Where is it? Why is everybody disappearing? It's so confusing. I don't know why. Like seriously, is there a bad dragon? There's a bad dragon in the server. I want it. I want it. If this person declines my trade request, I don't know what's gonna happen. Okay, neon albino. Oh, why is my game laggy? Oh, oof. I'm gonna say let me offer. Give me time, okay? And why, guys? Does it happen to you that people just decline before you even? Oh, I said give me offer, give me time. Meant to say give me time. Because that person just keeps declining my trade request and they don't even let me add the whole thing, so that's really annoying. Okay, never mind, I guess. What else can I offer for? Oh, the girl with the neon flamingo is back. I could offer for that. I think she's AFK. Okay, this server is really rich. There is even a mega Glyptodon. I know, I just pointed it out, but okay. Let me trade this person with the bad dragon. Are you going to give me time to add? Seriously? Oh, that person is so annoying. He's like this really mean person. What happened was this person with the mega frost shield didn't let him offer, and like she declined him. So he's mad that she's just telling him that you are really poor. That's weird. I don't remember what I'm offering for, but I'm going to put all of the things I own because why not? Somebody just randomly accepted my trade request and I don't remember what I was offering for. Oh, okay. I was offering a Mega Frost Fury. I'm going to add the 4 T-Rexes. I want the Mega. I don't want 2 Neons and 2 normal ones. I know that's not a fair trade. I don't think so. That person has so many Frost Furies. Have a Mega and sometimes the... Okay. No, I don't want them, sorry. Oh, Neon Arctic Reindeer, I want it. Because they're really equal worth to a Frost Dragon, I think so. So it's like I'm offering for a Frost Dragon. I think so, yeah. I'm pretty sure of that. What else can I add? I could add random things like, what do I add? First, like, I mean, they're out of game. I'm going to accept this one if they add. Please, I really hope, please accept. Wait in the second trading window. Are they going to do it? Please do it. I would be so happy if they do it. Please do it. Please do it. I really hope they aren't trolling me. Please don't. If I get this, I could actually get a Frost Dragon for it. Are they saying something? Are they going to do it? Please do. 3 Arctic Reindeer. They did it. Oh my god. I just got a neon Arctic Reindeer. That's so amazing. I did trade away my, what do you call it? Neon Unicorn, but that's fine. Yeah, I'm so happy. Okay, I don't like the name. I'm going to change the name to something nice because I don't know. I'm going to name it Marshmallow. I don't know. I just like the name. And then I'm going to trade this for a Frost Ram because this is worth like about the same as a Frost Dragon. Actually, this is worth more than a Frost Dragon. I'm pretty sure of that. Okay guys, so this was it for my video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see